Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Danielle Naomi. If you'd like to see all things and everything hair related, hair content, don't forget to click the subscription button as well as to click that bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload. In today's video, we gonna just do the do. So I show you how I detangle and do the wet look for this unit as well as the updated review for this wig, because I had done a previous video where I showed y'all how I do my whole install, baby hairs and all, prepping my wig in a previous video. And in this video I'm showing you how I wet look and pretty much just the updated review and all I have to say about Beauty Forever hair, well, this wig that I have on at least. And so they sent me their Malaysian curly in 24 inches, so this is what 24 inches is looking like. It is also 150 density. Ma'am is thick. She's a thickiana. Like, this wig is the real deal when it comes on to thickness. It is so freaking full and I love it because it's so summertime ready, and the curls are to die for. They're really gorgeous curls. The ends are nice. It's not sparse. Everything is just so full of life. Like, this wig is a vacation wig, a tropical climate wig. You could get it if you live in cold states too. I mean, it's whatever you want. As long as you want some curly hair, this is the wig to get. So I'll have the links for this wig and Beauty Forever hair in the description box below. And without further ado, let's just jump into me showing you all how I get everything done. Hey y'all, so this is the unit before I do the wet look, and this is my concoction. So in this bottle is the S-Curl Curl Activator and some water as well as conditioner and some of my product called Rusk. Not my product, but a product called Rusk. And so what I'm gonna do is just shake your sensa. I'm screaming. Do y'all remember that commercial? But yeah, this thick wig that is just only 150 density is from Beauty Forever hair. Love it. And you guys know that from the title and the intro, but I'm just gonna say it again because they rock. What I am gonna do is go ahead and just manipulate the hair. I think I want to do a voiceover so that way, you know, like if they were to ever like put this on their Instagram, I won't be talking, so it won't be awkward. It will just be me, you know, doing my hair, because I know they usually like cut their videos short and stuff. So voiceover it is. this is the final product, the finished look. This is what this gorgeous wig is looking like after I pretty much just, you know, put all the stuff I told you I put in there, as well as to lock and seal all this moisture in with some oil. And that oil was Reza, and it's from Sally's, their brand. I'm not sure if it's still in Sally's, but I know I bought it from Sally's. And that's pretty much the end of the wet look. So let's jump into the review portion of this video. And honestly, Beauty Forever just never disappoints. I'm sorry if you were ever looking to get a bad review from me for Beauty Forever. You just can't. Like, I don't even have any constructive criticism. The only thing I would say is that I just want the part to be a little bit more deeper, but this wig is 13 by 4. It is not a 13 by 6 wig. So if I wanted a part deeper, or if you want the part deeper, I suggest getting a 13 by 6, but 13 by 4 works just as well. If you want to do a middle part, it works beautifully. And if you want to do a side part where, you know, the part isn't that distinct, then that works as well. But if you want to do a defined part, then, I mean, just for me personally, I like deeper parts than like smaller parts. So that's really the only thing, and that can be fixed by buying a longer lace. And so shedding with this hair, definitely at a minimum. I can tell you from now, or as you had seen during the detangling portion and process of giving the wet look, you didn't see the brush snag too hard. You didn't see the brush snag at all. Y'all could go replay and rewatch. You did not see that brush snag because they have such good quality hair extensions. Like, I've never had a problem with any curly hair or any hair whatsoever from Beauty Forever hair. So that's just a little information for you. It doesn't tangle and mat up and do all that crazy stuff, especially if your wig is glueless. If your wig is glueless and you say that, you a liar, because ma'am, all you have to do is just take it off at night and hang it up and put it back right back on in the morning and you'll be fine. So as for shedding, minimum. Tangling, no ma'am. Matting, no ma'am. And any matting in the neck, I can run my fingers through this wig thoroughly and I can tell you that there's no matting. There's a few shed hairs, and this wig is fairly new, so I do expect a little bit of shed hair, but this is like really nothing compared to, you know, how other people's wig sheds like freaking what they called husky dogs. Like, I just can't relate with Beauty Forever. Beauty Forever cannot relate, okay? They don't do that ghetto stuff over here. Their wigs are minimum to no shedding, and they stay intact, and every bit of the hairs stay on this lace for a long periodically time. Like, I've never experienced balding with a Beauty Forever wig. I've never experienced any crazy stuff. So all I have is just good reviews. Like, it's really amazing hair, and if you're looking to invest in a curly wig, this is the wig for you, especially if you like it thicker, because right now it's in a nice flat decent state, but like when it dries down, it gets way bigger. As you've seen before I started, that's its natural state when it is 100% dry. So this is it when it's 100% wet and gorgeous. Okay, these curls are defined so beautifully. Love it, literally. And yeah, I don't have any complaints. I don't think there's anything else to talk about. Like, the hair is good hair. I love it so much. Oh yeah, the ends are really put together. They aren't sparse at all whatsoever. This wig is 150 density and it's giving 180 density vibes. So I love that for her. She's not too thin, nowhere near thin. She's not too thick is what I'm trying to get to. She's just perfect. She is a bit weighty, but not too much to the point where, you know, your neck breaking off or you're gonna sweat a lot while wearing this. It is definitely summertime tropical vacation hair. Love it, love it. And that's all I can say. It's just all good things for Beauty Forever hair. They sell top-notch, very good quality extensions and wigs. You could get this wig, you could get this wig, you could get another curly texture, you could get a straight texture body wig. It's up to you, but this is just the wig that I'm wearing for now. And I do have other videos on my page with this wig, and I think at that time I showed y'all how I installed it. So if you'd like to see how I got my hair installed, definitely check out that one. And yeah, if you'd like to purchase this unit, the link will be in the description box for you to do so. Love this hair, and my rating is 10 out of 10. It is Danielle Naomi approved. And yeah, that's that for that. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you lovely ladies in my next one.